Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salutations I bid to you all. My name is Megat Ahfatoi bin Syarif Effendi from Sekolah Tunku Abdul Rahman, code AEB 2050. In this video, I will be presenting a book titled Our Explosive Earth by Robert Dinwiddie with a total of 160 pages. Have you ever wondered how volcanoes erupt, why earthquakes are formed, or what explosive forces and energies are hiding beneath the earth? Then wonder no more. This book explains all of that and more in detail with stunning imagery for a better understanding and attractiveness. A deep dive into the studies of the earth backed up by articles and research from highly praised scientists, and most importantly, stunning artwork by Julie Bennett. In every product, there's always going to be comparisons and competitions between competitors. So, in order to give a much more better understanding, I will be comparing this book's strength and weaknesses with another much more famous cult following and highly regarded book by the same theme. For example, A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle, The Story of Earth by Robert Hazen, and the I Wonder Why book series. Firstly, let's talk about the content. In Our Explosive Earth, we got introduced to a lot of topics about the environment, ranging from tiniest of molecules of energy to the biggest of islands. To add to that, the author provided us with actual results of experiments and articles conducted by actual scientists. So everything about the book is factual. Compared to Robert Hazen's book, uses theories and assumptions about the earth instead of real proof. Secondly, let's talk about the writing style. Our Explosive Earth applies an article/newspaper writing style, where it just gives off information about the topic discussed. For example, in some parts of the book, the writer explains about the fundamentals of force and energy, and it feels like I'm reading a science textbook, which can be pretty boring. I think this is a huge downside of the book because the grammar are very simple and the explanation can be a little pale. However, it makes up for itself by providing us with pretty pictures and images that attracts our attention. Lastly, let's talk about my favorite thing about the book. The writer always slits in the role of humans in protecting our Earth. The first thing that he writes is, there is no question that Earth has been a giving planet. Everything humans have needed to survive and thrive was provided by the Earth, was provided by the natural world around us. Food, water, medicine, materials for shelter, and even natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. So why does the Earth keeps killing us? We have earthquakes and tsunamis that have taken the life of billions, volcanoes and tornadoes that have destroyed thousands of houses. It's because of one simple reason: our existence itself. It's why the earth keeps trying to protect itself. We are the infection to this beautiful body of land and water. We kill animals, we pollute the skies, we waste the seas. That is why natural catastrophe happens. The author is telling us that everything that we do must have its consequences. That is why I absolutely adore Our Explosive Earth. Thank you very much.